Hold on, buddy.
Max DS.
Why does it say looking for software via DS download?
Because he downloaded the DS when he doesn't even need to. And that's
Hold on, buddy. Let me get to the right spot.
Max DS. Max DS.
He's gonna kill us from doing that. Max DS.
How do you get to a game, Kate? Just hit start.
No, here. Come here.
Did I put the game in wrong?
Yeah, you did. Here. Well, you actually didn't fit. You have to hear a click.
Oh, it didn't go in all the way.
Careful.
Does it go like that?
Let Katie do it.
Hey, yeah, gross breath.
She needs to brush.
It's not accepting it. It's not doing anything. And there's no game pack inserted. You didn't do anything.
Why don't you read the directions?
Shut it down and then
Max DS.
shut it down first.
Daddy's fixing it.
Daddy's fixing Max DS.
Kate, undo the things in the back.
I'm trying.
There we go.
Yes,
buddy.
doggies.
Diego game.
I can't.
Hold on.
There's no way. There's no way.
Yeah, here. You want to be the zebra or elephant? The elephant. Get there. Hit start. This one right there. That's that one. Jumbo. Here, hold on to your DS. Hold on to it. He just closes it.
You closed it. I know, but you turned Diego off. You need to leave him on. Where's your stylus?
It's in his hand.
You have your stylus?
Gago, yes. Gago.
Yeah, you should have left Diego on. Play Diego. Leave him on this time, okay? What are you doing, sissy?
Trying to get this. Sorry, it's pretty boring.
Your eye dog needs some battery. What is that?
Max lightsaber?
Will you put batteries in my idol for me?
Yeah.
I think Daddy likes the lightsaber. Daddy likes the lightsaber. What do you got, Mac?
Hey, pick up your iPod and stuff.
Play Diego. Touch it. Do what you're supposed to do. Daddy, show him.
I don't know what he's supposed to do, babe.
I know what
He doesn't do that. That's the way he does it now. He has to do it, then shuts it, and then opens
He's
it.
going to break it.
It's the wrong screwdriver.
Sorry. I tried. Good job, bud. You using your stylus? Mac, what game are you playing? Mac, what are you playing? Are you playing Diego?